Welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you money making tips and how to become an entrepreneur so that you can start your business online from home. So please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I create new videos for this channel. Today I am going to show you how you can make $10 very easily just by doing 3 to 5 minutes review. It wouldn't be difficult at all, and this video is created for those people who have just started out and they are just struggling to make their first dollar online. And if they use this platform that I am going to tell you very soon, definitely it is a legit platform and they could make some good money out of it. I know people do not have the money to start their big ventures, so these types of platforms can let them earn to start their journey. And though every platform has limitation, but I can tell you can earn $100 a month with this platform, and it wouldn't take more than an hour for earning $100 per month. Let's look at the website. The company name is Captra and the website address is www.captra.com. Once you land on captra.com, then you are seeing a screen like this, and just look, I just want to show you, and these are software categories. If you click on software categories, so what is Captra? Captra is actually a platform where vendors place their products and people like us who are using their products will write a review about those products. So what happens is when people searching for those products, they will get to know about how easy it is, its price and its customer support and its functionality features, what people are talking about those softwares. So just I want to buy a accounting software or inventory software, then I definitely read people reviews about those products. So this is a platform where people write a review about those products and give rating to the products. So people could easily get to know that top 20 accounting softwares or top 20 inventory management softwares. So when definitely people will find a list here, they will definitely buy the best one. So this is the platform that at one end provide the customers the right information, and at other end it also provide the opportunity to people like us who can just give their opinion and make money on. So just if you visit downward, you are seeing that there are different popular software categories out there like applicant tracking software, judge software, construction management software, CRM software, e-commerce software. So if I just click on anyone, applicant tracking software, you are seeing different softwares here. And if I just move to any of the software like Homebase, there are 219 reviews. If you just click on Homebase, this is the address of this software. However, we want to look at the reviews. So just click on learn more about Homebase, and here you are seeing about the software itself and the rating about the people. Total 290 reviews, 219 reviews, and overall 4.5 out of 5. Ease of use, customer service, and if you just move downward, you will see different people's review here. Ease of use, customer support, features and functionality, value for money, and like here you are seeing people review. So it will just let us know about the product to the customers, about its usage and functionality, so they can make a better decision about whether they should buy this product or not, or which product offers the best advantages to their problems. So just we need to provide this kind of reviews, and if you move to the site, and I am going to show you how you can do this by writing a meaningful review and earn $10 for each review. So just let's suppose I want to write a review on PowerPoint, as I know PowerPoint and has been using this software for many years. So PowerPoint by Microsoft, click on this product, and there are 10,000, above 10,000 reviews. And if you just review this product, click on review this product. Now we need to sign up with this Captra, and as you are seeing that it allows us to easily verify that you are a real person and quickly publish your review. Signing in also helps you the option to keep your review anonymous to site visitors. So just we need to have a LinkedIn account because they want the person to be real. So many people who want to earn money online, they should spam and fake account, something like that, because they also have a criteria of judging people whether they are writing the meaningful and right review, or they are just criticizing the competitors and just came here for money and don't provide value to the viewers. So we need to be as real as possible and provide the honest information so that our review get approved and they will give us the money. So click on sign in with the LinkedIn form. I will provide my So as you are seeing here, I have been logging into the Captra by my LinkedIn account, and now you are seeing that write a review for PowerPoint. Software buyers need help. Product review help the rest of us make great decision. Not sure where to start. So tips for writing reviews. So just look at the tips before writing any review. Be specific, be readable, be objective, be recent, be relevant. Be sure to follow these guidelines when leaving a review. Be yourself, be honest, do not review your own product, do not write abusive, hateful, threatening content, do not include other personal information, keep your focus on the software. So just these are the guidelines. You need to be vigilant for writing any review about those guidelines. So just I am providing overall quality. I will give it a 4, ease of use 4, features and functionality 4, customer support 3, value for money 4. So this is just my opinion based on my experience with the product. So if you are using or writing product review on different products, so you know better about that particular product. So be honest. And how likely is that you would recommend PowerPoint to a friend or colleague? So definitely I would recommend highly this product, and click on next. Write a review for PowerPoint. Software buyer need your help. Product reviews help the rest of us make great decisions. Not sure where to start? Check out our tips for title your review. Like I am saying that PowerPoint review. So if you are not clear, just look at other people, what other people are writing. PowerPoint with Microsoft. So PowerPoint review and pros. What did you like most about the software? So I like most about So that's all. Now move to the click next. Job title, write your job title. Now these are the things I have written about. Click on submit. Storefront, so after submitting your review, you will see a message like this: your product review has been submitted. Your reviews help other business users like yourself make better software decisions. So just, it could hardly take about 3 to 5 minutes, and you are going to write simple review and they're gonna reward you. But there are few things you need to be remember. You need to follow their guidelines in order to be rewarded. And second, there is a limit. You can write at a maximum 10 reviews in a month. So if a review give you $10, and so for 10 reviews you will earn $100 in a month. But if you write it professionally and as per their requirements, then for 10 reviews in a month it would hardly take your 50 to 60 minutes. So I hope you like my video, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. That's all.